today's video, I went to Toys R Us, and you know what I bought? Yeah, you'll see soon. Okay guys, so I bought this really cool set called the Whiple set. So first of all, I didn't know what it was, but then I read the labels and it says that it's kind of like a little DIY set where you make tiny little cake charms, like toys, and they're super cute. And there were 9, you can whip up to 9 collectible pieces. And I was like, okay, this is cool. And I bought the set for $30, actually $29.55. But yeah, it's 30. Yeah, I'll call it 30. And I'm hoping to get something right because this set looks pretty cool. And I will also link this link down below so you guys can buy it. Yeah, so let's get on with the video, shall we? Oh, but I forgot to announce, we are having a giveaway! Yes, a giveaway. So this giveaway is gonna last for 10 days, and you guys know what? Wait, no, actually not 10 days. Wait. It is gonna last for a few days, and you know what? The winner is gonna be announced on the 26th of June, so it's pretty cool. So the giveaway will include an 8-ounce slime, unicorn fluff or raspberry crunch, 1 kilogram of white PVA glue, 1 large bag of foam beads, 6 packs of glitter, 1 can of shaving foam, and 2 bags of borax, really large bags of borax. So how to win? Follow all my social medias, including this channel, link in bio. All of my social medias, link in bio. Give this video a thumbs up and subscribe if you have not. Make sure to comment #June giveaway and include your email/Instagram page link. Otherwise, I won't know how to reach you guys if you guys win the giveaway. So yeah, just keep that in mind. #June giveaway and include your email/stuff. Okay, so now I'm gonna show you really quick. If you subscribe, and then this is my previous video. So yeah, if you haven't checked that out, then check it out. So yeah, so if you wanna join the giveaway, then say #June giveaway. And then in another row, include your email or link to your Instagram page, so I know how to message you or reach you if you win. There, simple as that, and yeah, you will be automatically joined to the giveaway. So this is what is inside of the box. It's pretty cool. You have some stickers, some templates, and you have the Whiple cream, which I totally love. You have some molds. You have decorations like charms and beads. Yes, it's a good set. I have to say, I'm really impressed with this stage first. Yeah, so the first one I'm gonna be trying is this little ice cream cone, which looks super cute. So first of all, this is the Whiple cream. So how to use the Whiple cream is that you squeeze from the bottom to the tip, and then you just spread it out. It's like normal making cake process. Yeah, so I topped it with some charms, and then I made a little tiny squirrel, and then it looks so cute. And I also included some pearl beads. Oh my god, it's so cute. I love it. Okay, so onto the second one. I decided to make a little cat macaron, and I've gotta say, this is the weirdest type of macaron I've ever seen. I never saw a macaron that looked like a cat face before, but this was super cute. It comes with a bow. So yeah, I'm gonna put this together by squeezing in some Whiple cream. Actually, the Whiple cream acts like real fondant or whipped cream, but it's glue. There's glue inside and a tiny bit of silicone. So yes, just keep in mind, don't get yourself stuck. Yeah, don't get the Whipple cream stuck to your fingers, because it's gonna be hard to get off. So I just squeezed them on, and then I just spread it out into a nice flat surface inside, and then I put two of the faces together, and there you have your macaron. And then I also attached the bow. You have to quickly attach it before the whipped cream actually dries out, because it dries very quickly. So just make sure you're quick. Easy peasy, so the macaron is done. It looks super cute. I love it very much. There, so let's move on to our next one. Okay guys, so this is all done. I'm very impressed with what me and my friend did. We did a good job. I think we did a good job because all the designs are super cute. We actually switched up the design from the original kind of it for the wedding cake, like the cream on the top, because we made a little bit of a mistake, but then we fixed it with a nice top of creamy cream. So I really enjoyed playing with the set. I love it so much, and thank you guys for watching this video. Please make sure to give this video a subscribe and a big thumbs up for this video, and comment down below what you want me to do next, and please don't forget to join the giveaway. Once again, the winner is going to be announced on the 26th of June. Okay, so good luck and bye.